Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick pulled pork. We'll use a pressure cooker to transform a tough cut of meat into tender, flavorful pulled pork in a fraction of the usual time. This method is perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a delicious meal without hours of slow cooking. Get ready for a simple, satisfying recipe that delivers amazing results every time. For preparation, start with a 3 to 4 pound pork shoulder, also known as a Boston butt. Pat it dry and generously season all sides with your favorite rub, perhaps a mix of paprika, garlic powder, and brown sugar. For extra flavor, quickly sear the pork in the pressure cooker pot for a few minutes on each side until browned. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Now for the cooking magic. Add 1 cup of liquid like chicken broth or apple cider to the pot. Place the seared pork inside, then secure the lid. Cook on high pressure for 60 to 70 minutes, depending on the size of your roast. Once cooking is complete, allow a natural pressure release for at least 15 minutes before carefully opening the lid. This ensures maximum tenderness. After the pressure has released, carefully remove the pork to a large bowl. It should be incredibly tender and easy to shred with 2 forks. Discard any excess fat. Stir in some of the cooking liquid to keep it moist, and add your favorite barbecue sauce. Serve your delicious pulled pork on buns, with coleslaw or alongside roasted vegetables for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.